Good morning. Myself, Dr. Ashok Kumar Siroya, Department of Zoology, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Today, we will discuss about the Krebs cycle, the universal pathway for aerobic respiration. The Krebs cycle is also known as TCA cycle. TCA cycle or 3-carboxylic acid cycle, or its first ingredient or first product, citric acid. The Krebs cycle also known as citric acid cycle. Krebs cycle is a universal pathway for aerobic respiration because all the molecules during early catabolism are break down to smaller molecules for energy or molecular needs. The fatty acids, the amino acids, and the monosaccharides. Fatty acids from lipids, amino acids from protein, and the monosaccharide from starch or carbohydrates. These products go through the citric acid cycle and produce two type of materials. First, energy, and second, the molecular building blocks. Energy need in our body and molecular building blocks also need the body. Earlier we discussed about glycolysis and pyruvate dehydrogenase complex produced acetyl coenzyme A. The monosaccharide first convert into pyruvate by the process of glycolysis, and the pyruvate convert in acetyl coenzyme A by the help of pyruvate dehydrogenase complex and some coenzymes. Thus, the precursor of citric acid cycle formed by carbohydrate this way. Coenzyme A in the citric acid cycle gets oxidized to CO2 with the concomitant reduction of NADH and ubiquinone. Thus, the product CO2, ubiquinone, and NADH2 obtained. Citric acid cycle serves two main purposes: increase the cell's ATP producing potential and provide the cell with precursors that can be used to build a variety of molecules depending on the cell's need. When we see the citric acid cycle's reaction, the enzymes of this citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle is found in prokaryote as well as eukaryote. In prokaryote, it happens in cytosol, and in eukaryotes, it occurs in mitochondria. The compartmentalization in eukaryote, the glycolysis happens or occurs in cytosol, and the citric acid cycle occurs in mitochondrial matrix. When we see the net reaction of the citric acid cycle, the oxidized electron carriers NADH, acetyl coenzyme A, and ADP combine and make coenzyme A, CO2, and reduced electron carrier as NADH2, and ADP converts into ATP. Thus, the yield of ATP, NADH2, and carbon dioxide and coenzyme A. The reactions of Krebs cycles are characterized by metabolic character, or we can say amphibolic character. They have catabolic as well as anabolic activities in overall reactions. First, we consider catabolic reactions. The citric acid cycle is catabolic. Molecules are broken down to serve energy need of the cell. The citric acid cycle also serves as a source of common precursor for biosynthesis. This is anabolic, which makes building molecules from parts. Citric acid cycle intermediates are used as a precursor of fatty acids, amino acids, and carbohydrates. Thus, the reactions of this cycle in green color are all intermediates of synthesis of other compounds. Here, citrate converts in fatty acids and cholesterols. Alpha-ketoglutarate make amino acids and nucleotides, and succinyl coenzyme A involves in synthesis of heme and hemoglobins. The oxaloacetate is a precursor of monosaccharide such as glucose. The malate is decarboxylated by the malic enzymes to produce pyruvate. As the succinyl coenzyme A is used for the synthesis of heme, the molecule in hemoglobin that carries oxygen. The alpha-ketoglutarate is used for the synthesis of amino acid glutamate, and the citrate supplies carbon atoms used for fatty acid and cholesterol synthesis. Thus, we studied that the citric acid cycle is amphibolic or metabolic, both catabolic and anabolic in nature. When we see the net equation for the citric acid cycle, the additional substrates are needed to complete one full turn of the citric acid cycle. The GDP, the phosphate, the NAD plus, ubiquinone oxidized, and the product are 2 carbon dioxide, 2 coenzyme A, GTP, and 3 NADS, and ubiquinone Q. We are considering this cycle step by step. Is the first step or first reaction is synthetase activity, the citrate synthetase. In first step reaction of the citric acid cycle, the 2 carbon acetyl group of acetyl coenzyme A condensed with a 4 carbon compound oxaloacetate. The product is a 6 carbon compound called citrate. Enzyme citrate synthetase is catalyzed this reaction. Second reaction, formation of isocitrate or rearrangement of atoms. The second reaction of the citric acid cycle occurs in 2 steps and results in the isomerization and rearrangement of citrate to isocitrate. The third step reaction of the citric acid cycle is the oxidative decarboxylation of isocitrate to alpha-ketoglutarate. Oxidation is accompanied by the reduction of NAD plus to NADH, and the elimination of carboxylate group as carbon dioxide. Thus, isocitrate dehydrogenase used for catalysis of this reaction, and the carbon dioxide and NADH formed during the reaction. Fourth reaction of the citric acid cycle, and oxidative decarboxylation is catalyzed by alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. This enzyme transfers the decarboxylated compound to coenzyme A, forming a 4-carbon compound attached to coenzyme A. The alpha ketoglutarate converts in succinyl coenzyme A. Enzyme is alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, and product is 4-carbon succinyl coenzyme A, NADH plus CO2. And fifth step of the cycle involves thioester cleavage catalyzed by succinyl coenzyme A synthetase, and results in the synthesis of nucleoside triphosphate. The reaction involves a series of phosphoryl group transfer mediated by the active site histidine. Inorganic phosphate is transferred between succinate, the enzyme, and finally a nucleoside diphosphate. The enzyme involved in this activity is succinyl coenzyme A synthetase, and the product is coenzyme A thioSH, GTP, and 4-carbon succinate. The final 3 reaction of the citric acid cycle converts succinate back to the cycle's standing substrate oxaloacetate. Step 6 of the cycle is the dehydrogenation reaction that converts succinate into fumarate. This reaction requires an FAD prosthetic group. The first FAD is reduced here. Enzyme involved in this activity is succinate dehydrogenase, and product is fumarate or ubiquinone. Dehydrogenation or oxidation reduction occurs here in this 6th stage. In the 7th reaction, fumarase catalyzes the reversible hydration of the double bond to convert fumarate to malate. Enzyme catalyzed here is fumarase. Reaction type is hydration, means addition of hydrogen molecule in fumarate to make malate. In 8th step or final step of the citric acid cycle, regeneration of oxaloacetate from malate in NAD plus dependent oxidation reaction. Enzyme here is malate dehydrogenase, and type of reaction is a dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation and making of NADH plus product is oxaloacetate, which is a precursor or the first reaction of citric acid cycle start from oxaloacetate plus acetyl coenzyme A, making citrate. Thus, the overall reaction is shown in this cycle. We will discuss in next lecture the overall energetics of this cycle in next lecture. Thank you.